Hello, this is Guillermo with Jambros Roofing. I'm here again just doing another final walkthrough of a project that we recently completed. It's a two-story house. We did a complete tear off. Actually, this house had pretty good plywood, so almost none of it was replaced. Color ended up looking good. Golden Harvest by American Harvest, the GAF brand. All right, we gotta check the roof, see how it's going. There we go, up on the roof. As you can see, we have most of it all papered up. We got the deck armor, GAF underlayment. Got some ice and water shield. We still have some areas right here that we have to just paper up. We got ice and water shield in the valleys, the deck armor throughout the thing. We're gonna start to install the starter strips in a couple seconds. I think we ordered Pro Start. Yeah, Pro Start right here. What we do is we use Pro Starts all on the eaves and the rakes, and then after that we install the shingles themselves over them. We also, with every penetration that we see, for example, we have that exhaust fan, these pipes, we do install ice and water shield around them just to prevent any leaks in the future. But yeah, we also replace the drip edge. Not a lot of people replace drip edge. We replace the drip edge, all the pipe flashing, the old step flashing, ice and water shield gets replaced, you get new. Basically, our process involves completely tearing off the existing roof. That way we get to the roof deck and we make sure that the new roofing system will be all brand new basically, and you won't have any problems. And if there's a problem in the future, just give us a call. We'll come back. We'll make sure that we get it resolved for you. Usually there isn't a problem. But yeah, we're gonna start installing the shingles in a couple minutes. Our guys are currently on break. They're downstairs eating their lunch right now.